back to this class. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to use filter to enhance your video on CapCut. So I just go straight to my CapCut and click on CapCut. Alright, so over here we already have some videos that we have. So I'll just click on new video. Can just decide to click on this particular video. Alright, so I'm going to remove the noise so that it will not disturb our edit. Alright, so that whatsoever the video is saying will not be showing up on our edit. So we're just going to come here and alright, we're going to come here and click on features. Alright, so these are the kind of filters that we can use. Let me take the video to a particular place that is visible. Alright, I'll go back to my filter. Now I'm going to apply this CQ complex. Let me apply that. Alright, so the video is kind of, let me zoom in this video. Hold on, so I'm going to just kind of zoom in. So let me delete this and add the filter again. Alright, so you can see the face very well. So I'll come back to filter, click on filter, then now when I reduce this, you see the effect. I increase it. Now that's the brightness. Alright, so you can actually click on different kind of filter. Let me use this sunset bronze. Alright, so watch the video closely. You see the effect. Let me use this one. Alright, this kind of dull, very dull. Alright, so you make use of the filter the way you want it to be. So I'm just looking for this green nitro. Alright, you can make the video to be dull, to be dark. So all these are different kind of options that you have, different kind of options that you can use for this. So now we have different kind of option of effect that you can add to it here. Alright, so let's just come to video quality. Alright, so adjust. Okay, all these are going to alter the video. So just go back to, because that's a different, we are going to treat that as a different topic. So just go back here and continue our normal edit. Alright, so let's go back to featured. That's where we have most of the beautiful edits that we have. So just come back and make use of this. It's going to brighten up. Alright, I think this other one that I used before, this one is better. So let's go ahead and now you can see the image is kind of brighter. Let's go back to the beginning. Let me take this back to normal. So let me play the video. You see the scene. Now you can see that the video is now brighter than normal, very bright. Alright, so this is how you apply. This is how you make use of filter to enhance your video. Alright, so I'll see you in my next class.